Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And of course, yesterday we talked about a Google and Google services of all kinds, including YouTube outage. And we know today why it happened. Google has actually explained the reason. That doesn't happen often. Most of the time they keep quiet as to why things are going wrong. But Google today wanted to mention that the reason why yesterday they say the outage was about 45 minutes. And what happened is, of course, if you wanted to log into your accounts, Gmail services of all kinds, YouTube would turn back with a error 500 or 503, and you just couldn't do anything. And if you're already logged in, tons of errors would be happening, and maybe you couldn't send emails, or there's all sorts of weirdness. So they have an automated system that actually makes sure that there's enough storage space in the critical system running all of this. And of course, space is needed for everything that Google does. So there was a bug in the code for the system that actually assigns the storage space. And that meant that there was no more storage space available according to that critical system. So everything just halted to pretty much, a halt. They just stopped because there was technically no storage space left. So it didn't totally remove the storage space, but it limited the amount of storage space available in the critical system, which just made everything crash. So that is the explanation coming out of Google. I've seen a lot of people saying, well, that was a major, distributed denial of service attack by a group and so on. And they did want to actually, I think, say why it happened for that reason, because that rumor seemed to have gone all across the internet, when in reality that was not the case at all. DDoS attacks on Google services happens every day, but they actually mitigate them pretty much because they have really a really good way of actually, seeing them happen in real time and making changes so that they don't affect much of the services. Doesn't mean that one day a DDoS attack cannot happen. But it's not the case in here. Yesterday's problems were not at all due to denial of service attacks. It was really a bug in the code of the system that was actually managing the space required, the disk space, if you want, in a critical system, and making believe that they were running out of space to store on the storage, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos on this channel.